all-you-can-eat buffet workers. What are your horror stories? I worked at a pizza buffet for 2 years during college. I have a number of stories, but the one that I will always remember is the guy who got super upset that we wouldn't make more dessert pizza when we were half an hour past closing time. This guy comes in with his presumed wife and 2 children around 8:30. We close at 9. Nothing out of the ordinary happens until 9 rolls around, where it was still commonplace for people to be finishing up and eating what pizza was still left. I was doing the dishes and taking the empty dishes back from the buffet, and I see this guy, arms crossed and staring at me as I take the empty dessert pizza dish. He says something to the effect of, "When's the next one coming out? I never got any." I let him know that we close at 9, and we can't really make anything past then because the oven gets shut off. Luckily, the manager overheard this and stepped in to back me up, and I quickly scamper off to the back to continue the dishes.